Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every day life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside your heart.
Minnie Manny. We shrunk.
Finally, I think I can make Grocer and Min believe that our little friends come from outer space. This here, we'll see if he can say this is a lie. Sweetie, where's the phone?
Neşe was talking with Zuzu.
Zuzu is coming! Zuzu is coming!
Oh, so this cake won't be enough for everyone.
Maybe you can ask Manny for the controller and make it larger, honey.
Mom, Dad, Zuzu is coming! I can't wait to tell her about our magnificent space trip.
That's perfect. But tell the story louder when the grocer comes, alrighty? He'll hear the story and see the photo, and then he'll believe us.
Oh, these are the photos of our trip. I'll be able to talk to her in a more skillful way now. Thanks so much, Dad!
Now wait, girl. Leave at least one of them. That is the proof that Manny and Minnie came from outer space now. I'm showing them to the grocer. Just you watch.
Hey, Daddy! Look! It was in my pocket!
A soft and light stone. Tell me what this is, Mutt Lou.
I think that it's a piece from one of the stones that we were jumping on!
This is actual proof. My hero's son is such a good boy. I need to make a phone call now, excuse me.
Zuzu!
Neşe!
Welcome, Zuzu!
Thank you, Neşe. I would have come sooner, but your mom told me that you were somewhere far from here.
Oh, we went far away too. We went up there. But we came back right away. There are so many cool things that I'll tell you about. Look, do you see what we did?
Wow! Then we went out of the atmosphere to discover outer space. I wish you were there, really. There were so many planets that you could have slept on.
Aha! Grocer Amin is out of the store and coming over. Let's see what you have to say about this, Mr. Grocer.
Then Minnie and Manny gave us these helmets, and that's how we could get out of the spaceship.
Say it a whole lot louder, Neşe. Let the grocer hear it.
I brought your order, Mr. Kanan, a pack of flour and baking powder.
It was like we were flying. It was amazing.
Wait, look. I'll give you a show, alrighty? Ta-da!
What is this?
It's a piece of asteroid from up there. A stone from space. My kids brought it back with them. They became the first people to venture to the furthest planets.
Are you actually trying to fool me with the same stupid joke all over again?
And then we became so light that we could jump really high and fly.
That's amazing! I wish I could have been there as well.
We'll go again, Zuzu. You're always welcome.
Why are you shouting so loud, sis?
Because my dad wanted us to. Come on, you should shout too.
Okay, let's go up there again.
Look, don't you hear the kids? They were in outer space.
Oh, yeah? Wouldn't this need to burn as it fell if it was a real space stone? Look, I threw it and it didn't burn.
It burns like that when it passes through the atmosphere, Amin. Why would it burn here?
You guys, there were so many stars.
Why are you shouting so loud, Neşe?
Because my dad wanted her to, Mom.
Wait, I'll ask the reason why. Okay, he must have heard you by now. Manny, give me that. I need to make this cake larger.
Mutt Lou, bring a couple of those photos. I could really use your help here.
Of course, Daddy.
I don't think your dad will convince him.
You photoshopped the photo on the computer.
Look, is there really such technology in the world, huh? This is proof that they came from outer space. Look now, I'll shrink myself. Oh, no! Oh!
Uh-oh! Hold
You're an educated man. Don't fool me like that. I know that you're doing it with mirrors.
Come on, I'm going back to the store. Or maybe you're doing a trick with ropes.
Grocer men? Grocer men? Where are you? Are you convinced that they came from outer space yet, sir?
Yeah, sure, okay, right. Yeah.
Oopsie. I think I shrank everyone. The controller seems so large. How can we turn ourselves back to normal?
Where is everyone? I don't know. Mommy? Daddy?
Minnie, where are you?
I'm here, Minnie. I'll be right down.
Come on, let's go and find the others.
Children. It's too much fun. Hey, come over here.
What are you doing, Mutlu?
Look, Mommy. I brought this stone from outer space, and for some reason now I can jump up so high.
Mr. Kanan is a really, really funny man. Oh, wait a second. Where is this place? I don't remember this building at all. I guess I turned the wrong way somewhere.
It's so beautiful. Am I right, Neşe? Absolutely, Zuzu. You are looking up from space, and there are so many places to discover. It's also the same when you get shrunk and look from here. It's quite unbelievable. Oh, my dad is here.
Girls, I don't know how, but I shrank everybody. But the size of the controller remained the same, so... Ha! We found them!
Where are Mom and Mutt Lou? I'll find them. Be right back.
The button is very big. I can't turn the switch myself.
Help us up there. We can try it together. My dad needs to come up as well.
But my boots can't carry him.
Actually, there is a way for my dad to get on top of that.
I thought I knew her very well, but I got lost. I don't know where I am, to be honest. Let me rest here for a minute. Huh.
Come on, Dad! Jump up!
Okay, here I go. I made it. Come on, let's switch it on together now.
It'd be enough if we were the only ones to know how great these kids are. They found a solution right away. It's simply incredible.
You are absolutely right. I am so proud of them already, honey.
First, eat this giant cake I have here, and then I'll make you larger later.
Let him keep sleeping, Manny. I can always find another way to convince him some other time.
A birthday surprise.
Oh no! My hero! Bravo, my son.
A hero, huh? What do you got, Muck? Or is your ball over there? Let's take a look, shall we? Ah, here it is! No, there is no need for a thank you, Muck. Come on, catch it now! That's it! I'm a hero!
Hi! Please help!
Huh?
That was great, Mutlu. I think Minnie's boots have some sort of problem.
You came right on time, Mutt Lou. Thank you so much.
Now, where did I put my coffee? Maybe I'll brew another one.
It's on the table, right next to the van, Dad.
Ah, my hero son.
But of course, I'm a hero. You know, I've got a mission, Mom.
So I finished this and now... What? Does that say 25? It is. Today is the 25th. It's my dad's birthday. How did I forget it? Think my dad noticed? Where is he? Oh, I don't think he's noticed. He's drinking his coffee as he always does, and he'll read his morning newspaper. What? The newspaper? He'll know what day it is when he looks at the newspaper and remembers it's his birthday today. I'll never be able to plan a surprise for him. I just don't know what to do. If I can take the newspaper unnoticed, he won't see what day it is today. Only Mutt Lou can do that. Mutt Lou! Hey, where are you? I need your help more than ever. Mutt Lou, are you in there? Mutt Lou? Ooh.
Need help?
Mutt Lou, did you become a superhero? I can't believe it. You have the perfect timing, Mutt Lou.
I've been up this whole time. I'm just waiting on you, Muck.
The day, because today is Dad's birthday, but he's going to read the newspaper soon. And I don't want him to see the date because then he'll remember.
I've got that, no problem. That newspaper will be taken before Dad has a chance to read it. I need to go now. Duty calls for the hero. Fly, fly!
You're amazing. Okay, I need to talk to Mom about the birthday cake.
Fly, fly, Super Mutlu! I can't believe it. Wow, I actually flew!
Are you okay, Mutlu? It looked like you fell.
No, I was flying. Newspapers!
Oh dear, I think he hit his head really hard.
I think you need to lie down.
Wait, let me go. Don't stop the hero. I'm on an undercover mission.
A mission?
Mommy!
What is it, dear?
Today is the 25th, and it's Dad's birthday.
Oh, how did we forget? I wanted to surprise your dad this year. Do you think that he noticed?
Don't worry, Mommy. I've got a plan. Mutlu will take the newspaper before Dad reads it. So he won't see today's date and remember that he forgot.
Uh-huh. Then we can plan a surprise for him after all. Yes, he definitely shouldn't see the date.
We need to hide these right away as well.
None of this will do.
The kitchen's gotten so hot. What do we do?
Wait, I better take care of the cake.
We need your help.
Of course, Manny. What's the problem?
One of my boots is not functioning. I think the heel's coming off. You think you can fix it?
Mutlu, what are you doing?
Every hero has a mysterious side, Dad. Fly, fly!
Did you take care of that?
Super Mutlu has accomplished a dangerous task once again. There was never any doubt. The evilness has been vanquished.
You are a real hero, Super Mutlu. Mom already should have ordered a cake from the bakery. I'm going to call Zuzu now. She can pick it up on the way. Dad wouldn't suspect her of anything.
Neşe, dear, don't forget Dad's phone. It's in his study. He can see the date on it as well.
Ah, yes, his phone. This is just a task for Super Mutlu. I'll handle it, Mom. Fly, fly!
Mutlu?
All right, Mutlu. When you pick up the cake, come here immediately. And then we can sneak you in and... Oh, goodness! Did Neşe fall too? Sure, that'll work. Can you check that homework? It's absolutely crucial you do. When you get here, we'll do it, okay?
Neşe, can you give me the phone? I need to call the market. They sent me a torn-up newspaper.
Please, Dad. I'm talking with Zuzu about our homework. This is about my future.
Okay, I'll call him for my cell phone then.
Wait, your cell phone?
Super Mutlu flies here and everywhere to achieve the impossible.
Ah, dear Mutlu, you are the best. I was looking for that phone. I need to call the store. Look here, they sent me over a torn-up newspaper.
Super Mutlu will call him for you, Dad.
Yeah? Hello?
Mr. Grocer, you sent me a torn-up newspaper. I want a new one right away, stat.
No way, sir. My newspapers are A-OK. Which part of it is torn?
The place where the logo is.
Come on. It's not important. There's nothing written there.
Of course there is, sir. Maybe I want to see the date.
Mr. Kanan, are you saying that you don't know the date? Don't you have a calendar? I suggest checking it.
Oh, of course I do. I have one on my desk.
Go ahead and check it. Whatever. I'll still bring over another one.
That man's made fun of me again. I, of course, know today's date. I would know if I wanted to. I'll go check on that.
Oh, it fell down. Anyway, your calendar is here, Daddy.
Today's,
That was really close, huh?
Sure was. Absolutely. Oh dear. We didn't buy a present.
I have a super duper idea.
I'm sure there's another calendar around here. Maybe not. I also couldn't find the laptop. What was today's date? Mutlu had the phone. It's best I find him, huh? Where on earth is Mutlu? Oh, whatever. Maybe the grocer decided to bring over that newspaper. Where's the newspaper, Mr. Grocer?
I gave it to Zuzu. She was supposed to come to you. I was hoping to hear your new jokes. They're hysterical. What happened? You still don't know the date? Well, I'll tell you. Today's date is Thursday.
Oh, come on. He's really making fun of me a lot now. Oh, these look like newspaper pieces. Wait a sec. No, it's not. I think maybe over here. No, that doesn't go there.
Looking for this, my darling?
Yes, today's the 25th, but that means...
That's right, Daddy. Today is your birthday.
Happy birthday!
And we also have an awesome present for you.
A present? Are we really going up there, you guys?
Happy birthday, astronaut!
I can't believe this!
This present was such a great idea, Mutt Lou. You really did save the day.
No, lady, not Mutlu, Super Mutlu.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside.